I'm continuing my closet haul. Now this is going to be a few random items, a little bit from a few different places that I got. You know, my usual TJ Maxx, Amazon, whatever the case may be. And I want you guys to stay tuned. If you like these type of videos, please let me know. If you like these types of videos, please let me know by leaving a comment and even subscribing. Abena Tries Beauty, I try all of the beauty trends. So you can see it here, the real deal here. So if you like more of those, because somebody want to ride a bicycle or go-kart down the street all loud. So if you like to see things like that, please hit subscribe and let's get started. Alright y'all, so don't judge the body. I really like rompers and stuff. I went to TJ Maxx and I love the way that this material felt. And this is like, is it a romper or a jumpsuit? It's a black one. Okay. Sorry about that. Anyway, back to this jumpsuit. I got it in a pretty good material. I love the material. It's polyester spandex. It feels so good and light. And I love things like this, because you can just throw them on and go. Let's see how it looks. I don't never try anything on at TJ Maxx and Marshalls because I go there so often, I just return it. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. The material, girls, yes. Feels so good. This is good for running errands. I don't like this little tie right here, but put on some slides, because you know slides is in right now. I don't have it yet. But put on some slides and the sunglasses, a little like feet that you can dress this up or dress this down. And this was $14.99. And I can even make it look sexy. See what I'm doing? Tying and button all the way up. Thanks, boo. So yeah, this is from TJ Maxx, and this is a keeper. Oh, in those pockets. Comfort, y'all. Comfort. Comfort yet cute. Is the mood, is the way. Then I got this from Amazon. Oh, I hope I got the right. Y'all know I love shopping at Amazon because you can get some trendy shit. They all get it from China anyway. You can get some trendy stuff. I saw this skirt. I thought it was a good, cute. I think it's supposed to be high-waisted. Now I can already tell that the quality isn't the best. This button looks like it's about to come the fuck off. Luckily it's lined, and I like wearing it. Oh, I already think it's, will it fit? What size did I get? Okay, it's very elasticy, but okay. I like it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute with the right top. The cute little crop top or something. I'm not gonna button this all the way down because I think y'all can see the effect. This is cute. It's real classy too. So I'm about 5'3". I have it really high-waisted, and I like it because if you get the right top, sometimes, like, you know, you get that mimosa bloat during brunch. This can hide it and still be really cute. What do y'all think? Imagine I had the top on. So this is a good one from Amazon. So this is a keeper. My camera won't let me be great today. I got a few other items too from Agachi. Now these may look familiar to you because this was on Fashion Nova. It's sold out mad quick, but I was totally obsessed with this because I did see this on Sophiology, who I follow because she's 5'3" and I'm 5'3", and I think I don't think the shape of our bodies are the same, but I think I like the things she wears. because I think our body types or fits are similar. Like she's a medium, I'm a medium. Anyway, she had wore this in one of her 3-in-1s, and I became obsessed with it, and I found it at a Gachi. It was rather expensive, and I didn't know which print I would like, so that's why I got 2. But let's try. I'm gonna try one on. Actually, I'm gonna try this one on. Oh, look at me. I so neatly hung it up. I actually already got these. The pants were too long. So I already got these tailored. But these are nice 2-piece sets. And this one has navy detailing. Three-quarter sleeves, and you tie it as so. That seems to be the move for the summer. Tie tanks. And I like this too because of the navy detailing. You can wear this with some jeans as well. So sometimes these 2 pieces come in handy. Also, I have friends who are having weddings and remote places. So these are really cute, I think, resort outfits. This is lined. This is lined with shorts as well. And high-waisted. So I'm finding that I bloat easy. I bloat a lot easy. And I have some great YSL, what do they call them? I have some great YSL pumps. They're not open toe, but they're navy tribute joints that would like look so good with this. So this is how the look looks. And I like it. This makes you look so snatched right here. This was like worth it, even though they look so similar. And so be it. Fuck it. Like they look so similar, but I like the style. It just feels comfortable. Only thing you gotta be careful here is about the whole, you know, boobage area. That has me a little bit concerned, but I'll do some pasties or like a stick bra or something like that, or stick it down. I think I do have some tape so that I'm able to wear it comfortably without someone going like boom. Not that anybody would do that, roll up on me that close and shit, but you just never know. Like I say, my boobs always like to say hi, my nipples always like to say hi, so I always have to be careful with that. But I thought this was so cute, and I found it on an alternative site. I don't know if it's still there, but you can go to Agachi. I would love to do a get ready with this one, so you might see it. And the pants is rather long, so like I said, I got these tailored. So that's a look from Agachi. Agichi, I don't know how you say it. And I got it in a large. And I definitely got to wear both of those because I would say it's really cute, but it's very much, well, actually, you know what? It could be in the closet for vacations and stuff. That's cute to going on that last trip. I got a few other jumpers, rompers, whatever you said, from what's the name of this? Marshalls and TJ Maxx. This actually was on clearance. I kind of don't know about it, but it fit, and I felt like even like a day today. Actually, I might wear this today. I could just throw this on and go, like. Or, you know, I work from home a lot. If I'm going to like a co-working space, and then afterwards, maybe I want to catch like a casual drink or something. Do I have this on right? I sure do. By the grace of the Lord, I have put it on right. Yeah, this is really cute. This is a good look. It's just comfortable. Like, real comfortable and cute. And again, I had those navy tribute sandals. It fits pretty. The length of this fits pretty okay, surprisingly. My lighting just totally changed. and it has pockets. Yeah, I think to be honest, I think I might wear this out today. It's actually not supposed to rain today, so this might be a look, and it's exactly it. You can just catch up with your girls, go shopping with it. And I think the reason why I wasn't so crazy about this was because all the floral print. Floral is really, really in. It's not like my favorite thing in the world though. Yeah, I think this is a look. She might wear this today. Glad I got it. Okay. And then I got this from TJ Maxx Marshalls as well. It's a yellow. What is it? Then how about I get it together for y'all? How about that? Shorts thingy. I love the color yellow. I think this was giving me festival vibes. Festival vibes. Oh, that was alright. Uh-oh. So I see some staining over here. I'm gonna have to wash this before I wear it. But I like the color. I think it's supposed to be this wrinkled. You know what I mean? It's giving me festival vibes. I don't like this right here. I might just have my seamstress just sew that thing up, or just let the girls be free. No, let us free. Give us free. So this is giving me festival vibes with like a head wrap, which is my shit this summer. Hold on, let me just get the head wrap so y'all can kind of see the look. Yes, okay. Y'all already seen this if y'all haven't already on my IG. Watch me freak that there. But something like this. Oh. Okay, you guys can kind of see. If y'all want to see the full look, y'all have to come back and see to get ready with me and watch me see how I do it. But y'all see the color, the kente and this and a good beat. Y'all see the potential, so don't judge a sister. So we'll make that work somehow, some way. And I have some other head wraps too. If you guys want to see those, let me know. And a few things I got from Amazon, and I was debating on which ones to keep. Something I really like to look a little sporty, and I like t-shirts that say smart alecky shit. Make Wakanda great again. I'm thinking about keeping the red one because that one looks more like with the president campaign. He who shall not be named. Oh, okay, this is pretty good. It's Velcro. Let me see if this thing will fit over my lace front. Yes, I like it. I might keep both. Actually, I got this red dress from Fashion Nova. Might be too much. Y'all if y'all haven't seen already, y'all see like this two-piece set that I got from Fashion Nova that I don't like, but it has red in it. And if I do break it up, this might be a good look because it kind of looks like a baseball player outfit. So I think this one I have some potential to style and freak. Wakanda. Don't judge, I still have not seen the movie. And let's see how the black one looks. I think the red one is good to go. And then, yeah, I think I'm good on the black one. I already feel like I have enough black hats. Why this is good to have? You ran errands. Yeah, nah, the red one makes a statement, and that's what I'm trying to do. So this is cute. I'm gonna return this. If you guys want to know where I got this on Amazon, hit me down below and I'll drop the link in the description box. Okay, I got this from Amazon as well. I saw somebody else with this. I ain't gonna front. Like I said, it's black. I'll probably do something like this or tuck it in or something like that. I love t-shirts like this. I have a ton, so I need to be wearing these t-shirts. Kind of wish that this was in white. I don't think I have a lot of white t-shirts because it's about to be hot, but I'll make this work. This I'll put on with some ripped jeans and some slides and some sunglasses, and I'm rolling out the house and I'm cute and I'm making a statement because I love my melanin, right? So off Amazon as well. But that's pretty much what I have for you. Upcoming is a bathing suit joint. I don't know why I am addicted to buying bathing suits so much, but last summer I didn't get into the water. I got in the water once, I ain't front. I won one bathing suit out of that huge bathing suit haul that I did. So that's coming up soon. So you guys want to see that, hit the notification bell so you can see the rest of these. Also, as you can see, I love clothes and trying on things, but I'm also getting rid of a lot of things as well. So stay tuned. The next couple of Sundays, I'm going to have a Shop My Closet series. And then soon, we'll be back up with probably a wig sale, because there's a few wigs I got to get going on too, and those will be on Wig Wednesdays. So stay tuned for all of that. If you like this content, let my sister know by subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much again. And before you leave, make sure you know. All right, y'all. Talk to you soon. Love you.